This section introduces a simple Google Apps Script project designed to execute a function that prints "Hello World" to the console, either on demand or automatically through a timer. The motivation behind the project is to find an efficient way to manage emails by transferring those older than 24 hours to another folder. While the author previously used a DigitalOcean droplet with the Gmail API, they encountered compatibility issues with updates in Node.js and TypeScript, prompting an exploration of Google Apps Script as a potential alternative. No installation is necessary for this project, but users must have a Gmail account to utilize Google Apps Script. To utilize the script, users should first create a new project, add a function, run it, set triggers for automated operations, and then use those triggers to run the function. Detailed steps are further elaborated in the demo section. This section details the code structure, presenting a function that logs "Hello World" to the console. It encapsulates a basic implementation of a Google Apps Script method, JavaScript function "Hello World", logger.log "Hello World". This method utilizes the logger class to capture the output, demonstrating how to print messages during the script run. The demo section illustrates a straightforward usage flow for the Google Apps Script, providing an accessible guide for users to understand how the concepts and functionalities thread together. Users are directed to visit the Google Apps Script dashboard, with essential features like My Projects and My Triggers highlighted, guiding them toward project organization. This image visualizes the Google Apps Script dashboard, allowing users to familiarize themselves with the interface for managing their projects efficiently. This section guides users to initiate their project by clicking the New Project button within the Google Apps Script dashboard, emphasizing the first step in the setup process. After creating a new project, the Hello World function is showcased within it. Users can click the Run button to execute the function and monitor results in the execution log, facilitating immediate feedback during development. To automate the function's execution, users navigate to the Triggers section in their project. Here, they can select desired parameters and add a trigger, which enables scheduled or event-based execution of the function. This image illustrates how to edit trigger parameters after adding them, allowing users to customize their function's execution conditions further. From the project dashboard, users can access executions to see a log of all function runs. This tracking feature is essential for monitoring the performance and reliability of the scripted processes. The Points of Interest section highlights important resources, such as Clasp, which is a command-line tool for managing Google Apps Script projects. It emphasizes the need for a Google account and outlines additional benefits for users of Google Workspace accounts. This section provides a reference link to the official Google Apps Script documentation, aiding users in further exploring the capabilities and functionalities offered by Google Apps Script.